Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel SPT Engineering Solutions. My name is Satish Kumar, and if you did not subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can continue receiving the notifications when new videos on various training courses are uploaded. In the last video, we have discussed about the home, new, open, info, save or save as, print, share, export, and close, and account and feedback tabs. So let's start today with the option tab, where this is one of the important tab actually, and this is you can consider it like a setting tab, because this is where you are going to set most of the project's important things. And let's start today with the general and display tabs, which is going to cover the today our lecture of today. So let's start with the general before in the project options. So in the project, in the general tab, you will have user interface option, project view, personalize your copy of Microsoft, and startup options. Let me explain you what are these options. So starting with this screen tip style, this is something very important, because generally by default you will get show feature description screen tip. Let me actually, for me to show you to explain you before let me explain you this way. So it's in this tab, actually when you will click the button, you will see there are three options available: show feature description in screen tips, don't show feature description in screen tips, and don't show screen tips. Now screen tip is nothing but just let me explain you in this example as well. When you click or hover over your mouse on any of the icon that you have the feature here, so what it will do is that when you move it over there, it will show you two lines. One is underline with and in bracket is Control plus U, which is your screen tip, and then you have the full description below. It's underline your text. So you see this wherever you go. It is very helpful to explain you actually what does this icon it do. Where you click, if it is split task, it gives you full description about it, what it is about and how does it go. So now if I just go back again and I just change this setting to don't show feature description in screen tips, so it will show you the screen tip again, like it's showing underline Control plus U. But now you see that the feature description, the information about the icon, what exactly this is meant for, it is not showing you anymore. So this is the feature, how you control it. You see, now you see don't show feature, but now you see don't show screen tip at all. So let me click OK, and then you will see now even when you hover your mouse over the icon, you don't see anything here. See, you go anywhere, it doesn't show anything. So this is a very important settings now for the people who doesn't know really about each and every icon and etc. It is very useful for them that they switch this feature on and leave it like as default for the show feature description, because then you can actually value each and every icon and you can use them properly by knowing their description, how and what does it do. Let's go back to the option in general again. Then we move to another one, project view. The other project view, by default it is a Gantt chart. You can see it on your left. You have different kind of other views that is available. You can have network diagram, you can have resource diagram, and in many of them it's there. You have also detailed Gantt. So the Office give you facility that you can set your default view as and when you believe you want to set it. Okay, then you have date format. The date format, you have different kind of a date format. You can see it here, and this is going to your date format, so you can select it here, and then it will be the similar thing that is going to appear on your project. Then you personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, that is my username Satish Kumar, my initials, and this is a very important one, that is going to change the how your whole office looks. Not only the project looks, but it's talking about the office background. So if I just click here, you will see, let's say any of them, because let's say here we talk about the doodle circle. I just click on the doodle circle. You will see that this setting will just change something, and you see the circles here, circles here, circles here, circles here. But the thing is that in this circle, it doesn't only appear here, it will also appear in your other Microsoft applications. For example, just let me do something. I just open and try to show if I can. I just go to Word just to show you that how does it appear also, because in Word you see these all circles and all that thing that is appearing, that is something has to deal with this. So that's it. So if I just I just go back to the go back on the explanation. So you see everywhere all the circles are appeared, but I don't like to have these ones, so I will just go and remove this thing, doodle circle. I say no background, and once I click it, you see this all the circles have gone. So this means that this background is for Office. You can select it for whole Office, but it will not be only for the MS project. Now we are talking about the Office theme also. When you will see in Office theme, this is also say colorful, dark gray, black, white. So let me give you one example also, a quick one for you to understand. When I click, let's say a black color, so you will see the whole theme has converted to black, and vice versa. Same thing you can have. Similarly, on the other side also, you can use it for dark gray. You will see it will change the color to dark gray. Similarly, when you go here, you can change it to white. We'll do the white if you can click on here. So, but this is again, it's a full Office theme. So whatever you select here is going to do the same for full Office. So this is up to you how you want it to be presented. But me, you want to use system settings, so I am using the system setting. Now we going further from the same. We'll see a startup option. Then this is there is a checkbox here where you click and uncheck. So it says show the start screen when this application starts. So when the application starts, normally the starts, you have a start menu like this, it appears. But if you do uncheck this one, when you will close the project, let's say, let me show you actually how does it work. So I click it here and I just see, I close it and I start the project. So it will, let's start it. You see it open it here. It did not open actually on the menu page. Let me just go back. When I go back again just to show you. So click OK and I just close this now back and I just open the application again. So at least we know so it opened here, you see. So it did not open there. So this is the only difference that it appears. So this is up to you to check it on. Me, I like to go on the menu page all the time, so I check it here. So I am putting it here. Now we go back to the display ones. Also very important, because here there's the major important thing is, just give me 1 second. I just open the project that I'm, so that I can view the things more properly. I just go in options again, then display. Here there is a calendar. You will see this is a Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar is a sort of calendar where you will see all this is in properly in international English or etc. Here, if you change it to Hijri calendar, because there are three calendars here, Gregorian, Hijri, and Thai. So if I change it to this one, you will see it changed to this way, which normally we don't use it unless some people are using it. It's up to you. And then you have the Thai Buddhist calendar also, so that looks like this, but again it will not be in English. So these are the three type of calendars, but I will highly recommend to keep it to Gregorian as people understand it, so everyone has similar understanding. Then you have the currency options of the project. This is for this project, training project, which I have open it. Okay, you can have this one. This symbol is actually representing now pound sterling, but if you look at it here, the currency that is selected is GBP. So this actually is a area. Actually, this you use it for the costing purposes when you assign all the cost and etc. for resources. So this is where you normally will use it for assigning cost on each and every resource. So here this tab gives you all the options to select whichever currency you want to select. Here I am in Mauritius, so it will be, for me, is like MUR. I just click it here, you will see it change automatically to rupees and from pound sterling. So here is the decimal point, whether it's 1, 2, and you can make it 0 as well. It's up to you. And this is very important now. Like if I need to cost the whole project, I will cost the whole project in Mauritian rupee. So, and if I want to change it, let's say to USD also. So this is also here in USD. You will see the symbol is changed. Now another thing also is that if you don't like to have dollar sign before, you have various methods. You will see that here the dollar and then one has come, and then further one has gone in front, and then the dollar, and then the another one you have a space in between dollar and one, and the one and dollar, one and dollar. So here this is what it is. And then you have the show indicator and options button 4. So it means that you normally you have an indicator column here all the indications and the options that is going to be available, that is for the resources, for your work and etc. So you can check and uncheck here, and then here these are the elements that you can see, the entry bar, and also your status of whether you're online or you are not online. So this brings to an end to our video for today, and thank you very much for your patience and for your time. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.